Formax presents the 6406 series inserters. The Formax 6406 series are powerful, easy-to-use, and energy-efficient inserters ideal for meeting growing mailing needs. These inserters can process up to 60,000 mail pieces per month at speeds of up to 4,000 per hour, saving both time and money. The 7-inch full-color touchscreen and step-by-step job wizard make for setup and operation that is easier than ever before. The 6406 series is ideal for the office or mailroom environment with its versatility and quiet operation. 10 different models are available in the 2 to 6 station configurations to meet a variety of mailing demands. Here are 4 of the 10 models available. The FD 6406 Standard 2 with 2 standard sheet feeders. The FD 6406 Standard 3F with 1 high-capacity feeder and 2 standard feeders. The FD 6406 Special 5F with 1 high-capacity feeder, 2 special feeders, and 2 standard feeders. And the FD 6406 Special 6 with 2 special feeders and 4 standard feeders. Each model features a divert station for documents which require additional handling. To operate the 6406 series, begin by loading each of the feeders. Each standard size feeder shown here holds up to 325 sheets. The high-capacity feeder holds up to 725 sheets. All the feeders can be linked for a total capacity of up to 1,300 sheets in the 4-station configuration shown. The 6406 features auto-detect paper and envelope sensors. The control panel displays each tray that is loaded. With the feeders loaded, press the automatic or manual button to set up your mailing. If automatic is selected, the 6406 will detect the document and envelope sizes and will automatically fold and insert the mail pieces based on that information. To engage the automatic setup, press the 1x button for a test piece. Check the piece to make sure it is folded correctly. If the documents are accurately folded and inserted, press the Mail OK button, then press the Start button to begin folding and inserting. The standard vertical stacker holds up to 500 finished mail pieces in a neat sequential order. In addition, all models can be configured with an optional OMR or BCR reader for processing multiple page invoices or statements. The Formax 6406 inserters.